Scuf, a brand for console gamers for its custom controllers, is entering the world of PC gamers with the Scuf Envision Pro. Designed for PC, this controller promises unmatched customization and top-notch performance. With its sleek design and advanced features, it aims to redefine the standards for gaming accessories on PC. If you're looking to up your gameplay or explore new possibilities, stick around to discover everything this controller has to offer. You'll find the link to the controller in the description for more details and the best prices. The Scuf Envision Pro has a sleek gray-black finish. Weighing 285 grams, it offers comfort for long gaming. Textured grips prevent slips. Its gray and black finish, accented with touches of orange, gives it a sleek and elegant look. Weighing in at 285 grams, this lightweight controller ensures prolonged comfort even during intense gaming sessions. The textured grip on the handles provides excellent traction, while the hexagonal patterns add a stylish touch while preventing slips. Every detail is designed to ensure an ergonomic and comfortable grip, even during the most intense matches. The Scuf Envision Pro also features well-integrated extra buttons, including the sax buttons on the sides and the pedals on the back. These elements are strategically placed to naturally fit your fingers, providing quick and intuitive access to your custom commands. The Scuf Envision Pro excels in customization. With 23 programmable buttons, it redefines what a classic gamepad can do. The front buttons, back paddles, and sax buttons are all customizable through Corsair software. You can assign macros, control the volume, or even launch applications directly from the controller. This flexibility lets you tailor each command to your needs, whether it's for competitive gaming or just easier navigation on your PC. These microswitches provide a tactile feedback similar to a mouse click, which is a real treat for precision enthusiasts. Every press comes with a satisfying tactile feedback, perfect for fighting games or FPS. The octo-directional D-pad stands out especially for complex combos, while the anti-slip joysticks ensure a smooth and responsive experience, even during the most precise movements. The controller also includes a customizable RGB LED strip, a 3.5mm jack port, and wireless connectivity via a USB dongle. Even though it's not Bluetooth compatible, its slipstream wireless connection ensures optimal responsiveness, eliminating any noticeable latency. Plus, the aesthetic customization options let you personalize the look of the controller to match your style. The Scuf Envision Pro stands out for its comfort and versatility. In tests on games like Battlefield 2042, the performance was impressive. The buttons and paddles allow for quick reactions, perfect for competitive scenarios where every millisecond counts. The adjustable triggers, with a short pull mode for FPS and a deeper pull for simulation games, offer a unique adaptability that perfectly fits the needs of every player. In wireless mode, the battery life ranges from 10 to 17 hours depending on the use of the LEDs and vibrations. This makes it a reliable controller for long gaming sessions. With the included USB-C cable, you can easily recharge or play in wired mode for extended sessions without interruption. The sturdy construction ensures long-term durability, which is essential for an investment like this. Against rivals like the Xbox Elite Controller Series 2 or the Razer Wolverine V2 Pro, the Scuf Envision Pro offers superior software customization. However, it lacks Hall effect sensors to prevent long-term stick drift issues, which some alternatives are starting to incorporate. That's a point that could disappoint players looking for maximum reliability. For fighting game players or RPG fans, its D-pad and microswitches make it ideal, even surpassing some specialized models. The customization options for the triggers and joysticks let you perfectly tailor the controller to every type of game. However, for competitive shooters, a mouse and keyboard are still more precise, even though this controller narrows the gap and offers an interesting alternative for players who prefer a gamepad. The Scuf Envision Pro is a high-end controller that excels in customization, comfort, and ergonomics. While it may not be suitable for all game genres, it's perfect for fans of fighting games, RPGs, and even FPS with its many options. Its sleek design, advanced features, and customization options make it an ideal choice for demanding gamers looking for an optimized experience. With its high price tag of €200, it targets gamers looking for flexibility and extreme customization. If you're ready to invest in a controller that meets your specific needs, the Scuf Envision Pro is definitely worth your attention. You can find it through the link in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I really appreciate it. Leave a comment to share your thoughts, give us a like, and as always, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.